Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install JDK. So Java JDK from Oracle or OpenJDK. And this is going to include Java runtime environment and Java compiler as well. Okay. So you got few options here. You can go ahead and download and install from oracle.com. or you can go to jdk.java.net. This is basically OpenJDK. This is from Oracle, and both are perfectly fine. The only difference is sometimes this Oracle requires you to sign up and log in to download the latest SE or JDK. However, this is openly available. Anybody can go ahead and download the early access releases or the stable ones as well, like 13 and 7 are GA release, and these are early access releases like 15, 14. You can go ahead and download for your specific operating system, Linux, Mac OS and Windows, and those all are going to be 64-bit. okay, so you won't get 32-bit if you're going to download and install the latest JDKs like 13, 14 or 15. Okay, so you can go ahead and do everything manually here from this page. You simply click whichever JDK you want to download like this. Click on download. Similarly goes here. So go ahead and click this zip icon, and this is going to download for you. You can see this says OpenJDK, and if you simply go ahead and scroll down to this Java SE Development Kit 13 download page, accept it, and you can download the executable file, the package or the zip version. So go ahead and download the executable bit because it's going to be simpler than the zip version of installation. So however, there's one more way to install everything in one command. You can use Chocolatey to install JDK or OpenJDK, and that's what I'm going to do in this video, which is going to be one command and you are done. Okay, so anybody having this Chocolatey installed on your operating system, Windows desktop or server, you just have to type one command and you are done. You don't have to download it and then install it and set the system's variable path. So that's going to be basically less time consuming and more meaningful if you want to save time and be more productive. So here we are. Okay, so if you do not have Chocolatey installed on your system, like Microsoft Windows operating system, go ahead and install it from chocolatey.org. Click this install button and simply launch your PowerShell with admin rights and run this command. Just copy and paste in your administrator PowerShell. If you get this one, run this one, and you are done. Then you have to copy this one to your clipboard and run to install Chocolatey, and that's going to install. Okay, you have to press Y or uppercase A or uppercase Y to let it download and install and set everything for you. So okay, let's go ahead and check if you've got. I'm going to use command prompt with admin rights. So okay, I'm going to check if I already have Choco installed. So Chocolatey is installed on my system. You can see it says Chocolatey, and that's the version that it has on my system, and that's the latest version as of today. Now here, so there are a few things that we can do here. You simply have to run this command to check the available JDK versions and variations to this Choco installer. So you simply say Choco list JDK, and this is going to list all the packages that you can install with Choco install command. So you can see it has 60 packages. Okay, so you can install OpenJDK 12, OpenJDK 8, 13, which is the latest and approved. Okay, you can go ahead and install the Zulu. So many, yeah. You can go ahead and install JDK, which comes from Oracle JDK 8. This doesn't require, if you have to download and install JDK 8, this doesn't never has like asked me to sign in or sign up. JDK 11 is also approved. You simply, if you just type JDK, it's going to install the latest version of JDK from Oracle, which is at the moment I think 13. Yeah, and so you can go ahead and install JDK. Just simply type Choco install JDK, or you can say Open JDK or OJDK build, which is somewhere. Let me show you. So Open JDK is going to install the 13, which is going to be from jdk.java.net. OJDK, let me have it. OJDK, which is I think on the very top. OJDK build. So there are a few commands you can run here. You can say Choco install JDK, which is going to install 13 from Oracle. You can also say OJDK build, which is going to install open source Java JDK from java.net. I'm going to cancel them. And you can also say Open JDK, which is going to install 13, Open JDK 13, which is here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install JDK. Okay, I don't think it's listed here. It's not supported anymore. JDK, it's not supported. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say Open JDK, which will install 13. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. See, both are the same things, like JDK and Open JDK. They are just the same things. It's just that Oracle made it open source. So let's go ahead and run it. Make sure you are running your command prompt or PowerShell with admin right, and you have installed Chocolatey. Okay, so let's go with it. And this is going to do everything for us. Okay, it's going to download it, install it, and set to the system path as well. Now here, whenever you get something, do you want to run this? Simply type uppercase A. That means yes to all. And this is going to set to the system variable path as well. So a lot of people had issue while setting Java to the system path. Okay, in the process of installing any application with Choco, it's going to take care of the dependencies as well if required. So there are many packages and software that require dependencies to run on your system. Depending on which operating system you are using, like 7, 8 or 8.1 or 10, it will go ahead and take care of the dependencies for JDK or NetBeans or whatsoever. So you can see it's in the process. So it's just trying to download this from, you can see download.java.net, and this is going to be JDK 13.0.1 Windows 64-bit. Okay, so the process is awesome. It's going to take a minute or two. Alright, so you can see it took almost 2 minutes and it downloaded the Java JDK 13, which includes Java runtime environment and Java compiler as well. Now it downloaded it, installed it, and then you can see it set the path environment variable for this JDK 13. Now it's been already installed. Okay, and this is where it's been installed. You can go ahead and check it. Okay, now we will go ahead and launch a command prompt, completely new command prompt window here, and we will check Java, which is Java runtime. So I'm going to check the Java runtime environment version. So it's going to be 13, or you can say Java in simple terms. Then we are going to check the Java compiler version. So you simply say Java C, that's the Java compiler space hyphen version, and it's going to say 13.0.1. Now what I'm quickly going to do, I'm quickly going to write a Java hello world program and run it. So I've got something here on my desktop, so sandbox, and this is where it is, I guess. Okay, we also got Java box, and I'm going to clear the screen. I'm going to use Vim. I already have created this simple hello world application, so you can see it. It's a simple Java class that simply puts out or prints hello world. Now I'm going to exit out of it. So simply, now we need to compile it. Okay, so simply say Java C hello world dot Java and hit enter. That has been compiled. Now to run it, we simply say Java hello, and so let's see what we have here. So we got Java hello world class, so we need to run this class. Okay, so we'll say Java hello world. Oops. Now it's going to execute it. So it's very simple. Simply you go ahead and compile it first, and then whatever the class name is, that needs to be run with Java runtime. So simply say Java and the name of the class. You do not have to put dot class. Okay, that you just exclude it or just ignore it. So simply say Java, then the name of the class. So when you compile it, it creates, Java compiler creates a class, and you have to execute that particular class. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below, and I will try to answer it ASAP. Thanks again, and have a good day.